Santa's milk and cookies. Oh my gosh. I love how this turned out. I love the milk bottle. I love the little chocolate chip cookie with the bite taken out of it. Even the swirl, like, I love this one. This potentially might get darker. The color, the fragrance is supposed to discolor, but I added brown in, and sometimes when I add brown mica to a fragrance that discolors, it doesn't get any darker than the mica I put in. So we'll see what happens. Oh my gosh, look at that! Is that not the cutest? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this. I am thoroughly in love with this soap. The little milk bottle and cookie. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I am so pleased. My gosh. Okay, I've just said that like 10 times. I apologize. I can't help myself. I'm very excited over this soap. I think it turned out better than I hoped. Oh, I am a very happy person. Making these cookies took a little bit of time because I wanted to create a chocolate chip look. I love this milk bottle. It is just the whole thing. Everything about this soap makes me smile. I am super, super happy. Let me know what you think. I can't get over it. I think I'm gonna have to keep a bar for myself out of this batch because it's just too cute. There you have it. Milk and cookies for Santa.